When you are applying for a job, what I call a cold apply, you don't know anybody, you're just dropping your resume into the system. When you do that, and by the way, I have lots of tips on what to do other than just sending in your resume, but that doesn't apply for this particular episode. This episode tip is specifically when you are just cold applying. I want to give you some things to think about. Always check the verbiage in the job posting. Look for the keywords that are in the posting itself when it talks about the specific experiences or skill sets they are looking for. And then match that or compare that, if you will, to your LinkedIn profile and your resume. If you are missing any of those words, make sure you add them in. Here's why. Because when you cold apply, most of the time, resumes are pulled out of the system through the company or the recruiter's applicant tracking system. They are matching keywords, just like when you do a Google search at home, right? If you search on Google for something and you put in certain keywords, it brings things up in your search. It's the same for the applicant tracking system. They're going to pull resumes, or the system's going to pull resumes out of the pile that match those keywords. Human beings are not looking at the first round of resumes most of the time, not anymore, right? If 400 people apply, the system is pulling out 50 resumes that match the most keywords, and then a human being starts to scan them. So if you're missing those keywords in your profile, your resume is not going to get pulled out. So always do that. When you are applying, double check. Look for key terms, key verbiage, key words in the job posting. If you don't have those in your resume or LinkedIn profile, make sure you add them in before you apply. And there is your Riderflex tip of the day.